Ever wondered why some videos just look professional, even when they're shot on simple cameras? It's not the camera, it's color grading. Today, I'll show you how to master color grading in Filmora using built-in tools like HSL, the eyedropper, color palettes, LUTs, and manual color correction. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Understanding the base. Before touching LUTs or effects, start with basic color correction. Adjust exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows. This step fixes the footage technically before you style it creatively. Good color grading always starts with balanced footage. Manual color correction. Filmora's manual color correction gives you full control. You can fine-tune temperature and tint to fix white balance. Then adjust vibrance and saturation to avoid oversaturated tones. Small changes here make a big difference. Don't overdo it. Further, use light section to adjust the exposure, brightness, contrast, highlight, shadow, black and white. This will help you to set the overall correction in your footage. HSL tool with Eyedropper. Now let's move to the HSL panel. This lets you adjust hue, saturation, and luminance for individual colors. For example, you can highlight the top light tones without affecting the background, or make table light more richer while keeping everything else natural. This is where your footage starts to look intentional. The Eyedropper tool makes HSL even easier. Select the eyedropper, then just click on a color in your video, and Filmora selects it automatically. Now you can adjust the HSL of the select palette. Color palette. You can also use color palettes to keep colors consistent across clips. You can upload the image of your favorite movie, click on Generate, and then click on Save and Apply. You can convert it into a palette and use it later on any of your footage. You can even control the strength of the palette. Also, you can protect the skin tone. This is especially useful for vlogs, interviews, or brand videos. LUTs for style. Once your footage is corrected, it's time for LUTs. LUTs give your video a cinematic or stylized look instantly. Filmora includes built-in LUTs, and you can also import your own. Apply LUTs, and then you can control the LUT intensity, and even you can protect the skin tone. That's it. Start with manual correction. Refine with HSL, use the eyedropper for precision, keep consistency with color palettes, and finish with LUTs. Mastering these tools will instantly upgrade your videos. Color grading isn't about complexity, it's about control. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.